Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over Tradewix. Ticker symbol is WIX, W-I-X. This token just got listed today on CoinGecko, brand new listing. This token is doing amazing. Right now it's up 593.7% since it got listed here on CoinGecko today. Doing extremely well. We're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. Now let's get into this token here. So yes, I first saw it, it was up like 100 and some percent, then it was up 400 something percent, and now it's almost up 600% right now. Just keeps going up and up today. This is a Binance Smart Chain token. So basically, if you wanted to buy this token, you would simply fund your Trust wallet or your MetaMask wallet with Binance Smart Chain. You would go into the dApps, you would find Pancake Swap, and you would trade your BSC for the Tradewix token using the contract address that you could find on CoinGecko. You could find it on their BSC scan, which is listed on CoinGecko, or you could find it on their webpage or white paper, which is also listed on CoinGecko. Now, you may have to set slippage if that's in the tokenomics, and just make sure you have the right contract address. According to their BSC scan, they have 419 holders so far. This is a very brand new project, 5,670 transfers, 18 decimal places, and a total supply of 1 billion tokens. Now, their official webpage is tradewix.de. They also have a white paper listed on CoinGecko, BSC scan, price chart, contract address, Twitter, Telegram, YouTube channel, GitHub, and a TikTok. So they have tons of socials on here. Now, their white paper is not super extensive or anything like that. This is a brand new project. Like I said, it's only a 9-page white paper so far. It says, Tradewix is a German tech rate company. Each of our employees is a specialist in their own field. Our crypto experience has allowed us to discover new sides over the years. Many investors, including long-term experienced ones, keep falling for the various scammers in the space. These scammers don't shy away from using the most disgusting tricks to get the money out of investors' pockets. We want to put an end to all that and serve as one of the safest platforms to provide the best possible information about each project. Unique scores, values only awarded to projects that adhere to our standards and are willing to open up their investors. Now, even these projects here that claim to be, against scammers and rug pulls and honeypots and all those things like that, always thoroughly investigate these tokens as well. Just because they say that doesn't mean that this token is 100% safe either. You want to go over like audits, KYC, check out AMAs, just do thorough research on the whole project before even thinking about investing in anything, right? All right, so it says our aim is to create an irreplaceable position in the market as a crypto token with limitless financial rewards and benefits, all the while doing our part for the community. Tradewix is a project seeking to be inclusive, and an inclusive project and enable crypto enthusiasts of the entire financial spectrum to be part of the community. Choosing the more cost-efficient solution for the community was the obvious choice to make. Our goal is to provide our users with the best possible platform of security in the crypto space. Our team of specialists in their own field provide our Tradewix trust rate system with the best of intentions. The WIX token. So, WIX is recognized as a token with unbelievable potential and benefits for investors. We strive to serve the community through the innovative ways, compelling rewards, and most importantly, amazing returns on investments. The token WIX is needed to participate with this upcoming project, like staked NFTs is needed to see the upcoming project, and the staked WIX token is needed to invest in this project. We provide everything in our DApp function online. So their services, they have modern audit and controlling system. It says our department takes care of a full review of all crypto projects. We do not give obvious dubious audit certificates. Our approach is subject to strict criteria, and only projects that meet all these standards receive our Tradewix certificate. That is what our company stands for with its name, Tradewix Trust Rate. A groundbreaking launching software. In the background, we carry out a cooperative partnership. We give very secure partners the opportunity to apply for our launching system. A large number of attention, investors, and opportunities are available to you. Also, Tradewix allocation. Invest before anyone else. Members of the advantageous get the advantageous chance to be a part of private sales and highlighted projects that no one has seen yet. A limited share of private sales allows in many parts multiplication of their investment. And lastly, comprehensive customer service. Our premium support is available 24/7. Other inquiries will be forwarded to available customer advisors and processed within 24 hours of a time window. So they have NFTs. They have something called BullWix and BearWix. In recent years, there's been an increase in interest in NFTs. So they have these NFTs available here. It says on Polygon and OpenSea, which you can get multiple benefits from. So check out their BearWix and BullWix NFTs. They have pictures of them on their white paper and on their webpage. They also have the Tradewix app that they show you the interface of. And let's see here. They have staking. You can get involved in staking. And then they have contact information. Now, on their webpage, you can sign in, like create an account, basically. There's minting and staking solutions, visions, tokenomics are on here. So according to the Tradewix tokenomics, it says click to share the screen icon. This is very strange. Okay, so 5% of the tokens go to the team. This is very hard to navigate here. 15% goes to marketing. 60% goes to liquidity and pre-sale, 15% staking, 5% research and development, and that is basically how the tokens are split up. Now, I am not a financial advisor, so why don't you guys let me know in the comment section. What do you guys think about this token? Do you think Tradewix is a good investment or not? Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And check out all the referral codes down there in the description box. Get yourself some free crypto. Thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.